Hey!
Almost ready. Do you mind holding Oliver's leash for me?
Oh, I have zero experience with dogs.
None? So, do you want a dog?
Yeah, maybe.
Just maybe?
I mean, I love them. Yeah, definitely.
Oh, okay, good.
That was such a good memory.
Oh, I think he wants some.
Oh, sorry, bud. This is mine. But I don't mind sharing. Here you go.
Aw, that's so sweet. I can't decide which one.
Could get both.
What?
He never has enough toys, right?
I like the way you think.
So, can I see you again?
Yeah.
Cool, because there's this party on Friday, and I was...
Oh, I'm not free Friday.
Oh, I was gonna skip it to hang out with you and Oliver.
Oh, Friday! I'm free.